Hi, so there's been this recent trend. I think I've seen on Instagram where the brows are very sculpted and very textured in terms, or it's called feathered eyebrows, and I love it. It looks really amazing, and I love how the brows look very natural. So this mini tutorial will be how we can achieve that. So the secret behind the feathered eyebrows is all in hair gel. Like, I think you can use any hair gel as long as it's, clear and not too pigmented for your brows not to look crazy. So in my case, I'll be using this hair gel I bought here at Carrefour, which is in Kenya. It's by the brand Miadi. Miadi, that's how you pronounce it. And I take just, not much, just a little, like just a dip. Okay, in my case, I'll use this spoolie. You just take like a drop. Okay, yeah. And I put it behind the palm of my hand. And then with my spoolie, I grab a bit. And then I begin to comb it through my eyebrows. I like the fact that we use hair. I like how the hair gel does make your eyebrow hair. Does it qualify as? Yes, it does. Very texturized. Like, there'll be days where I don't put eyebrow liner. I just fill them up, and then I put my eyebrow gel, and that's how it turns out. It looks very natural and flawless, and that's one thing I like about it.